Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the customization feature in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Customization feature allows you to modify or translate your bot default content. In this tutorial, we will focus on the translation file. There are a lot of contents on our bot which are not created by us, and in some cases, we wish we have the power to modify them. That is where the translation file comes handy. For example, most of the contents on the e-commerce module are not created by us. With the translation file, we can easily translate or modify them. To modify content on the translation file, first you need to download a copy of the translation file by click on Learn More right here. Then make your modification and upload the modified file. In this tutorial, let us modify these e-commerce words just for you to see how it works. Here you see Add to Cart has been changed to Add to Basket. There you have it. You just learned how to use the customization feature in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.